back to Winners Capsule. Today we'll discuss the most important questions for various competitive exams. Before moving to the questions, if you are new to this channel, kindly like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Moving to the first question. A statue of beard man was found at A. Harappa, B. Chanhudaro, C. Mohenjo-daro and D. Dholavira. Answer is option C, Mohenjo-daro. Harappa, Chanhudaro, Mohenjo-daro and Dholavira are all archaeological sites that belongs to the Indus Valley civilization or Bronze Age civilization. Beard man, it dates back to 2200 to 1900 BC, created by Mohenjo-daro. It is found in the archaeological site Sindh in Pakistan. It's also known as Priest King, and it is a sculpture of a seated male draped in shawl decorated with trefoil pattern, and eyes are half closed, elongated as if meditating. Harappa, it's an archaeological site in Punjab, that is in Pakistan. Chanhudaro, it is located 130 kilometers south of Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Pakistan. Dholavira, it is one of the 5 largest Harappan sites. This is at Kadirbet in Bachau Taluk of Kutch district, Gujarat. This is the picture of beard man. We can see a shawl decorated with trefoil pattern and eyes half closed. So the statue of beard man was found at Mohenjo-daro. Second question. Which Indian state was put on the Indian Railways map for the first time with the launch of maiden passenger train on November 30, 2014? A. Assam, B. Meghalaya, C. Tripura, D. Nagaland. Answer is option B, Meghalaya. This is the first and only railway station in Meghalaya. The station was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Medipathar Guwahati passenger is the only train from this station. So, Meghalaya is the state that was put on the Indian Railway map for the first time with the launch of the passenger train on November 30th, 2014. Third one. Who is the author of the controversial book Great Soul, Mahatma Gandhi and His Struggle with India? A. Joseph Lillywhite, B. John Grisham, C. Jade Adams, D. Stanley Wolpert. Answer is option A, Joseph Lillywhite. Great Soul, Mahatma Gandhi and His Struggle with India. This is a 2011 biography of Mahatma Gandhi written by Joseph Lillywhite and published by Alfred A. Knopf. Joseph Lillywhite is a winner of Pulitzer Award. We'll have a discussion with the rest of the writers also. John Grisham is an American novelist. Jade Adams is a British writer, and his famous book that is related to Gandhi is Gandhi Naked Ambition. Stanley Wolpert was an American historian, Indologist and author on the political and intellectual history of modern India and Pakistan. His famous book related to Gandhi is Gandhi's Passion, The Life and Legacy of Mahatma Gandhi, that was published in 2001, and 9 Hours to Rama, published in 1962. So, Great Soul, Mahatma Gandhi and His Struggle with India was written by Joseph Lillywhite. Fourth one. Who among the following was arrested for the CWG scam? A. R.K. Chandolia, B. Siddharth Behura, C. Abdul Karim Telgi and D. Lalit Banot. Answer is option D, Lalit Banot. CWG is nothing but Commonwealth Games. On 25th April 2011, a former Commonwealth Games Organizing Committee Chairman Suresh Kalmadi has been arrested by the CBI in the timing scoring result case. In addition to Kalmadi, 8 other persons, including the organizing committee former Secretary General, that is Lalit Banot, and former Director General V.K. Verma were also arrested. Suresh Kalmadi was arrested under sections 120B, that is criminal conspiracy, and 420, that is cheating, of the Indian Penal Code. We'll have a look at the rest of the options. Abdul Karim Telgi was a convicted Indian counterfeiter. He earned money by printing counterfeit stamp paper in India and had been in jail for around 13 years. He died suffering from multiple organ failure in Bengaluru on 23rd October 2017. R.K. Chandolia and Siddharth Bahura were both connected with the 2G spectrum case. Tainted telecom minister A. Raja and his close aide, that is R.K. Chandolia, and former telecom secretary Siddharth Bahura were arrested by the CBI on February 2nd in relation to the 2G spectrum case. So Lalit Banot was arrested for the Commonwealth Games scam. Fifth one, name the minister of Pakistan who was assassinated on blasphemy issue by Tehreek-e-Taliban. A. Sherry Rahman, B. Shahbaz Bhatti, C. Salman Taseer, and D. None of the above. Answer is option B, Shahbaz Bhatti. Clement Shahbaz Bhatti, he was a Pakistani politician who was elected as a member of the National Assembly from 2008. He was the first federal minister for minorities affairs from November 2008 until his assassination on March 2nd, 2011 in Islamabad. He was the only Christian in the cabinet. Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan claimed responsibility for his killing and called him a blasphemer of Muhammad. Blasphemy is nothing but it's an act of insulting or speaking or lack of reverence to sacred objects or God. In some religion, this is considered as a religious crime. So, Clement Shahbaz Bhatti was assassinated on March 2nd, 2011 in Islamabad. We'll have a discussion with the rest of the options. Sherry Rahman is a Pakistani politician and former diplomat who has been the member of the Senate of Pakistan since 2015, and she was the first woman leader of opposition from March to August 2018 and has served as Pakistan's ambassador to the United States from 2011 to 2013. Salman Taseer was a Pakistani businessman and a liberal politician who served as the 26th governor of Punjab, that is in Pakistan, from 2008 until his assassination in 2011. On 4th January 2011, he was assassinated in Islamabad by his bodyguard who disagreed with the Taseer's opposition to Pakistani's blasphemy law. So, Shahbaz Bhatti was the minister of Pakistan who was assassinated on blasphemy issue by Tehreek-e-Taliban. Move to the sixth question. Which one of the following plays has the Indian government proposed to nominate for inclusion in the cultural landscape category of UNESCO? A. Goa, B. Kovalam Beach in Kerala, C. Majuli, Assam, D. Marine Drive in Mumbai. Answer is option C, Majuli, Assam. Government of India in March 2011 proposed to nominate the name of Assam's river island, that is Majuli, for inclusion in the cultural landscape category of UNESCO. Majuli, located in the middle of Brahmaputra, is considered to be the largest freshwater river island in the world, and Majuli is situated in the Jorhat district of northern Assam. It is about 80 km wide, 10 to 15 km long, and with a total area of 875 square kilometer. So Majuli is the place that has been nominated by the government of India for inclusion in the cultural landscape category of UNESCO. 7th one, the third person who presented himself for individual satyagraha launched by Mahatma Gandhi in October 1940 was A. Acharya Vinoba Bhave, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Brahmadatta, and D. None of the above. Answer is option C, Brahmadatta. Individual satyagraha was not to seek independence but to affirm the right of speech. On 17th October 1940, Gandhi has chosen Acharya Vinoba Bhave as the first satyagrahi, and second satyagrahi was Jawaharlal Nehru. Third was Brahmadatta. He was one of the inmates of Gandhi's ashram. So, the third person who presented himself for individual satyagraha launched by Mahatma Gandhi in October 1940 was Brahmadatta. Eighth one, Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar is given by which ministry? A. Ministry of Culture, B. Ministry of Labour and Employment, C. Ministry of Minority, D. Ministry of Rural Development. Answer is option B, Ministry of Labour and Employment. Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, has been operating Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar and National Safety Awards since 1965. Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar, it was previously known as Shram Veer National Award. It is awarded in recognition of outstanding suggestions given by a worker or a group of workers and implemented by the management during the previous calendar year, resulting in improvement in quality, productivity and working conditions. So, Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar is given by the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Ninth one, Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated the National Salt Satyagraha Memorial to the nation situated at A. Narmada, B. Gandhinagar, C. Navsari and D. Ahmedabad. Answer is option C, Navsari. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 30th January 2019 dedicated the National Salt Satyagraha Memorial to the nation situated at Dandi in Navsari district, Gujarat, on Mahatma Gandhi's 71st death anniversary. At the memorial site, he also unveiled statues of Mahatma Gandhi and Satyagrahis who had marched with him during the historic Dandi Salt in March 1930. So, the National Salt Satyagraha Memorial situated at Navsari district, Gujarat. 10th one, the planet Pluto has been abandoned from the group of conventional planets and kept in the group of dwarf planets by a summit held in A. Paris, B. Geneva, C. Parague, D. London. Answer is option C, Parague. In August 2006, the International Astronomical Union IAU downgraded the status of Pluto to that of dwarf planets. So Pluto has been kept in the group of dwarf planets by a summit held in Parague. If you found this video useful, kindly subscribe. Thank you.